Greetings from the captivating realms of Azerbaijan. Today, you'll find fresh meat, a new way of cooking steaks, time in the wilderness. Are you ready to join me on this whimsical journey into the heart of deliciousness? Stay tuned, dear adventurers, for a feast of laughter and flavor awaits. As the winter days unfold lazily, I find myself amidst a flurry of preparations for our culinary expedition. First things first, a gathering of branches from the nearby forest, where the snow plays hide and seek, offering a whimsical backdrop for our adventures. Alright, let's dive into the fiery fun. With branches at the ready and freshly snow-washed hands, it's time to unleash the fire-building extravaganza. Armed with my trusty knife, I'm on a mission to gather all things flammable, dry branches, moss, and anything else that will get this cooking fiesta blazing. Picture me out there, like a culinary scout, scouting for the perfect kindling. There's a bit of a knack to it, you know. You've got to find the driest branches, the fluffiest moss, and maybe even a few secret tricks up your sleeve to get that fire roaring. And let's not forget the satisfaction of watching that first flicker of flame dance to life. It's like nature's way of saying, let the cooking adventures begin. So, grab your marshmallows and get ready for some campfire magic. But before we delve into the heart of culinary creativity, a pause for tea is in order. The magic of tea time. It's a moment of relaxation and rejuvenation, a chance to pause and savor the simple pleasures of life. The garlic dance, performed on my exclusive knife from the Slicers of the World collection. A symphony of slicing that adds a flavorful twist to our culinary tale. Picture this, the garlic bulb ready for its grand entrance, perched on my brand new knife from the exclusive collection. It's like watching a dance unfold in the kitchen, a symphony of slicing that adds the special, flavorful twist to our culinary tale. As I gently guide the knife through the garlic cloves, it's like conducting an orchestra of flavors. The sharp blade effortlessly transforms the cloves into delicate, fragrant slices, each one contributing its unique charm to the dish. Have you ever witnessed oil heating in the midst of a forest adventure? The wilderness never fails to surprise with its unconventional cooking methods. As I stood amidst the culinary chaos, armed with a sprinkle of salt, a dash of wilderness creativity, and a pinch of humor that could rival even the deftest chef, dodging flying salt like a student facing an angry Gordon Ramsay, I couldn't help but feel like a culinary wizard on a whimsical adventure. Amidst the wild, creativity blooms like a hidden treasure waiting to be discovered. The memories of camping adventures with schoolmates, guarded by vigilant supervisors. A blend of nostalgia and culinary curiosity. And hey, while you're here enjoying the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a fantastic comment. I read every single one of them. You can also check out our assortment in the store. Who knows, you might find something that impresses your friends and makes your neighbors green with envy. A rustic wooden barbecue set against the backdrop of nature's beauty as the meat sizzles and releases tantalizing aromas that dance in the air. It's like the wilderness's own version of gourmet cooking, don't you think? There's something irresistible about cooking in the heart of nature. The fresh air, the crackling of the fire, and the joy of creating delicious meals with simple ingredients. It's a culinary adventure waiting to happen. Who could resist such temptation? So, let's raise our imaginary chef's hats to this outdoor cooking extravaganza. Here to embracing nature's bounty and turning it into culinary magic that brings joy to our taste buds and warmth to our souls. Cheers to delicious adventures and the wonders of outdoor cooking. As the meat works its magic on the grill, it's the perfect time for a tranquil tea-sipping moment, don't you think? Picture this. You're surrounded by the bustling sounds of the wilderness kitchen. Yet, here you are, taking a delightful pause to sip on some soothing tea. There's really something special about these quiet moments amidst all the cooking action. It's like a little oasis of calm in the midst of nature's vibrant chaos. The steam rising from your cup, the gentle aroma of herbs filling the air, it's pure bliss. So, let's raise our teacups to these serene interludes in our culinary adventures. Here's to finding moments of peace and relaxation even in the busiest of kitchens. Cheers to time in the wilderness. A life hack for the slightly lazy but immensely innovative, using the campfire to warm up food, turning ordinary dishes into gourmet delights with a wilderness twist. Gogal, the soft and flavorful delight that takes me back to cherished family gatherings and the joy of indulging in nature's embrace. Picture this: fluffy pastry, sweet fillings, and a sprinkle of nostalgia in every bite. It's like a taste of spring wrapped in memories of joy and celebration. You know, there's something special about family recipes. They carry the essence of love and tradition, making each bite not just a culinary experience, but a journey through time and togetherness. And when you enjoy it amidst nature's beauty, it's like adding an extra sprinkle of magic to the mix. So, here's to Gogal, a delightful treat that warms the heart and delights the senses, making every moment in nature's embrace a celebration of life's simple pleasures. Cheers to good food, good company, and the memories we create along the way. The importance of vitamins in winter, especially amidst mountainous landscapes, a reminder to savor nature's bounty in every dish. The steak. A blank canvas, eagerly waiting to be adorned with mushrooms, butter, transforming it into a culinary masterpiece that would make even the most stoic food critic break into a happy jig. As I gaze upon this masterpiece of flavours and aesthetics, I can't help but feel like a wizard who has just conjured a spellbinding dish. The creepy yet tender meat, infused with the rich essence of the wilderness, beckons with a siren's call, teasing my taste buds and igniting a hunger that only a true culinary masterpiece can satisfy. So, here's to the plate that comes alive with aesthetics and gastronomic delights, to the anticipation that makes taste buds dance with joy, and to the crispy yet tender meat that embodies the essence of the wilderness. Let the feast begin, and may the flavors never cease to amaze and delight. Behold, the grand finale of my wilderness cooking extravaganza, where hot bread meets juicy meat in a symphony of flavors that would make even the most seasoned chef do a little victory dance. Picture this: golden brown loaves of bread, fresh from the fire, crackling with warmth and ready to embrace the succulent meat waiting to be devoured. It's a match made in culinary heaven, a union that celebrates the artistry of cooking in the wild. As I carefully slice through the steaming bread, releasing tantalizing aromas that could rival any fancy restaurant, I can't help but feel like a culinary maestro conducting a delicious orchestra. The meat, tender and juicy, nestles perfectly within the warm embrace of the bread, creating a gastronomic masterpiece that would make food critics weep with joy. And let's not forget the sound effects.
Super.
The satisfying crunch as teeth sink into the crispy crusts of the bread, followed by the burst of flavors as the meat juices mingle with every bite. It's a culinary adventure that tickles the taste buds and warms the soul. Thank you for joining me on this flavorful escapade, dear foodie friends. Until next time, happy cooking, and may your culinary adventures be filled with laughter, creativity, and delicious surprises.